Form SF-15 is the application for 10-point veteran preference, the form a federal job applicant submits to claim additional hiring preference based on military service or service-connected disability. Here's how to fill it out. Section 1 is the applicant, the person applying for the federal job. Enter your name in last, first, middle format, then your home address, city, state, and zip code. Section 2 is the veteran's information. If you served, that's you. If you're a qualifying relative of a veteran, enter the veteran's details here. Enter the name exactly as it appears on their service records, the branch of service, and the dates of active duty. Part 3 is where you claim your preference type. Check the box that fits your situation. Box 5 covers a non-compensable service-connected disability, receipt of the Purple Heart, or a disability pension from the Department of Veterans Affairs. Each category lists the required documentation on the back of the form. Attach those supporting documents, then submit the completed SF-15 with your federal job application. Click Done to download. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.